Hi, good day everyone. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, Everything Medical. On today's video, I will be treating the anatomy of the femoral sheath. We have done videos on the femoral triangle. Please do well to watch it and get the full detail of the class on the femoral triangle on that video. So this video, we are going to be taking a good look at the femoral sheath, which is a femoral sleeve that encloses the femoral vessels. Then let's get into the class proper. What is femoral sheath? Femoral sheath is a funnel-shaped fascial sheath that encloses upper 3 to 4 cm of the femoral vessels. If you watch the femoral triangle, these are the structure. This is how the structure is arranged in the femoral triangle. So the femoral sheath is just like a sleeve that encloses the femoral vessels. And what are those femoral vessels? It is the femoral artery and the femoral vein. As you can see here, this is how it encloses it. So it's a sleeve that encloses the femoral vessels. That is why we call it a funnel-shaped fascial sheath that encloses upper 3 to 4 cm of the femoral vessels. That is the concept or the introduction of the femoral sheath. It's a funnel-shaped fascial sheath that encloses the upper 3 to 4 cm of femoral vessels, which could be the femoral vein and femoral artery. These are the femoral vessels that it encloses. So it's a funnel-shaped fascial sheath that encloses upper 3 to 4 cm of the femoral vessel. You can call it a sleeve-like structure that encloses the femoral vessels. Then the femoral sheath is divided into 3 compartments by an anterior-posterior septa. It's been divided into 3 compartments by an anterior-posterior septa. These are the compartments of the femoral sheath. Compartment of femoral sheath. These are the compartments of femoral sheath. But before we dive into this compartment, let's quickly label or denote the femoral vessels that the femoral sheath encloses. This is the femoral vein, the femoral artery, This is the femoral vein, because if you watch, the femoral artery is located laterally from the femoral triangle, because this is how the structure is arranged in the femoral triangle. It is located laterally, while the femoral vein is located medially. So femoral vein. This nerve right here is known as the femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve. Femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve. Here becomes our femoral canal. That is why the medial compartment of the femoral sheath becomes the femoral canal. which is here, where we have our lymph node of clockwise. It could be 3 or 2 lymph nodes that is located on the upper side of the femoral vein. We call it 3 to 4 lymph node that is found or located way up medially to the femoral vein. We call it the lymph node of clockwise. Femoral canal. So this is the femoral sheath itself. Femoral sheath. All these things are located inside the femoral triangle. Go to my previous video, femoral triangle, and take a good look at it. Okay, let's dive into the compartment. So recall that I said that the femoral sheath is divided into 3 compartments by an anterior-posterior septa. So here is the first compartment, which is the lateral compartment. Here is the second compartment, which is the intermediate compartment or the middle compartment. Intermediate compartment. While here is the medial compartment, which can be called the femoral canal. Medial compartment. Okay. What are the contents of the lateral compartment? It is the femoral artery and the femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve. Look at the content here. As you can see, this femoral artery and this nerve, they are the content that forms the lateral compartment. Here we have the femoral artery. Here we have the femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve. Okay, on the intermediate compartment, there is a partition between the lateral and intermediate compartment. That partition is known as the lateral septum. This is the lateral septum. Lateral septum. So what that forms the intermediate compartment or the middle compartment is known as the femoral vein. The femoral vein. Okay. The partition that separates the intermediate compartment from the middle compartment is known as the medial septum. What are those structures that forms the middle compartment? It is called the lymph node of clockwise. There are 2 or 3 lymph nodes that is located medially, up way higher to the femoral vein. Lymph node of clockwise. Okay, as you can see here, we have done justice to the compartment of the femoral sheath and how it is being located in the femoral triangle. That is all about the femoral sheath. The femoral sheath is not just like a broad topic that way, but it is clinically important because it encloses the femoral vessel. Here comes the end of this class. Thank you for watching this video. Anticipate for more videos on the femoral regions of the body. Thank you.